Web for Pentester course, XML related attacks. In this section, XML related attacks will be detailed. These type of attacks are common with web services and with applications using XPath to retrieve configuration settings from an XML file. Example number 1, some XML parsers will resolve in external entities and will allow a user controlling the XML message to access resources, for example, to read a file on the system. You will need to envelop this properly in order to get it to work correctly. You can simply use the reference &x and don't forget to encode the ampersand to get the corresponding result inserted in the XML document during its parsing on the server side. Let's try this in the server. XML attack sample number 1, and let me go ahead and replace this URL with the URL encoded with the information of the doc type for the XML document, and let's hit it. Hello root, and as you can see, we get the information that is located in the etc passwd. Now for example number 2, let me go ahead and go back and hit example number 2. Example number 2, in this example, the code uses the user input inside an XPath expression. XPath is a query language which selects nodes from an XML document. Imagine the XML document as a database and XPath as an SQL query. You will be able to retrieve elements to which you normally shouldn't have access. And just like SQL injection, XPath allows you to do Boolean logic, and you can try quote, single quote, and 1 equals 1, or and, as you can see. Let's try it. For the server, replace the URL. As you can see here, a null byte at the end, and the Boolean logic. Let's try it. We get the credentials for hacker admin.